Hello students, this is Dr. Amarpreet Kaur, a lecturer from Jammu and Kashmir Education Department. Today I will take double fertilization and some events related to post fertilization events. Okay, so in my last lecture I left the story of reproduction, with the event the entry of pollen tube into the synergid. Now, rest of story. Pollen tube. Already I have told that pollen tube it contains two male gamete. One male gamete it fuses with the egg and results in zygote. Zygote is the embryo, or you can say the future seed. And this process, the fusion of male gamete with female gamete, it is known as fertilization. Now, triple fusion. In this, the other male gamete it fuses with two fused polar nuclei and it results in the formation of endosperm. This endosperm it is meant for the nourishment of embryo. Now, the two fusions, one is the fertilization and triple fusion. Fertilization is also known as syngamy. Hence, syngamy and triple fusion, they are known as double fertilization. Now, some events that are pertinent to post-fertilization. In post-fertilization means the events that happen after fertilization. Endosperm develops, embryo develops, ovules mature into seed and ovary also matures into fruit. Firstly, endosperm. Endosperm is the product of triple fusion in embryo sac when second male gamete fuses with the central cell and it is triploid. The function of endosperm it is to reserve the food material and provide nourishment to embryo. It is almost present in every family, but already I have told that life sciences is a science of exception. So here we have some exceptions. One is Orchidaceae, Podostemaceae, and Tarpiaceae. In these three families, endosperm does not form. Endosperms have three types. Okay, the first one is free nuclear, second one cellular, and third one is halobial. In free nuclear endosperm development, as a name suggests that there is a free nuclear division without the wall formation. Okay, so there are free nuclei inside this endosperm, and if the wall is formed, it is only happening only at the periphery. But inside and the central part of endosperm, there is no wall formation. We have the example of cotton and maize. Then cellular mode of development. What is happening over here? There is nuclear division and after that there is wall formation. In this case, there is no free nuclei. There is proper wall formation. Okay. So example is petunia. The third one is halobial. In halobial endosperm, first the cell divides into two. The one cell it repeats the fashion of cellular mode of development, and the other cell it forms or it repeats the fashion of free nuclear endosperm development. Clear? One cell it forms like a cellular endosperm, and another cell it forms nuclear endosperm. Thank you for listening to this lecture. If you have any query, you can visit my website, that is www amarpreetkaur.com, and you can post over there. Thanks.